Loosen the handlebar grip fixing screws and remove the handlebar grip. Loosen the fixing screw at the bottom of the brake lever and remove the brake lever. Loosen the fixing screw at the bottom of the switch. Remove the 2 fixing screws of the instrument and take off the instrument. Cut off the fixing cable tie on the wire harness and remove the spiral protective tube on the wire harness. Disconnect the throttle connector from the instrument. Disconnect the main cable connector from the instrument. Remove the switch. Remove the 2 fixing screws of the instrument to be replaced. Install the instrument in the middle of the handlebar. Install and tighten the 2 fixing screws of the instrument. Thread the switch onto the handlebar. Thread the brake lever onto the handlebar. Thread the handlebar grip onto the handlebar. Adjust the position of the handlebar grip and tighten its fixing screws. Move the brake lever close to the handlebar grip and tighten the fixing screw at its bottom. Move the switch close to the brake lever and tighten the fixing screw at its bottom. Align the throttle connector with the arrow and install it. Connector color orange. Align the main cable connector with the arrow and install it. Connector color black. Install the spiral protective tube on the wire harness. Instrument replacement completed.